welcome to OS Hub and Odisha Job Academy Group of Institution. So, guys, as you might be aware of it, Odisha Job Academy किंबा OS Hub आमे specifically 30 स्टूडेंट नौचु जोंथिरे गोटिए क्लासरूम रे आपण 30 जन ही बसिबे so that individual guidance मिलियो सेहि पई 31st October we are starting a pre-cum maths batch as per the updated syllabus जो भलिया चेंज हे जाई ओएस में सिलेबस सही भलिया आपण पढिबे आपनकु जण जणकर इंडिविजुअल गाइडेंस मिलिबो एठी एवं आपनकु क्वालिटी एजुकेशन मिलिबो यू विल नॉट गेट एनीवेयर इन ओडिशा okay anywhere in India as well. So new pattern according to OPSC syllabus तुम्हारे complete खबो with test series include रहिबो updated syllabus accordingly as well as तुम्हारो dedicated faculty रहिबे test series include रहिबो study material रहिबो one on one mentorship only one class रे 30 seat now remember we are giving you everything we are giving you online as well as offline classes live recording classes एवं live classes as well and a recording will be available for offline as well as online student. Your course also consists of your classroom also consists of digital classroom first time in Odisha and as well as तुम्हारा study material भी मिलिबो जोटा कि तुम्हें क्लास एडमिशन नेला परे पाइबे. So समस्त को कहबी बहुत जल्दी जॉइन करंतु तळे थिबा नंबर रे 7008706452 किंबा 8926232634 8926 232634 एई नंबर रे आपण माने कॉल करंतु किंबा व्हाट्सएप करंतु आपण मानकु डिटेल सिलेबस विषय पचार दिन नहले हमर इंस्टीट्यूशन प्लॉट नंबर M5/17 फर्स्ट फ्लोर आचार्य विहार भुवनेश्वर रे आपण पाइबे स्वामी पैलेस रे. So do join here, you will get everything, you will get very consolidated way of preparation and basic level to higher level पर्यंत. Again आउ गुटी हमें क्लास लॉन्च करछु कोन ना NCERT फंडामेंटल बैचेस जो थ्री अंडर ग्रेजुएट्स या ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट कैन स्टडी देयर ईयर लॉन्ग NCERT and as well as फंडामेंटल थिंग्स. सो तांको जेतले से माने ग्रेजुएशन सारीबे से माननको प्रिपरेशन ऑलरेडी फुल हे जइतिबो दे आर basically become the strong contender to get into the service Odisha civil service examination. So do join these fundamental courses undergraduate and graduate courses. We have weekend batches also available among undergraduate and graduate student. For undergraduate and graduate student we are also providing online as well as offline classes free content current affair classes which will be available to you and complete all NCERT वगैरह सब आपन को मिलिबो सब सब्जेक्ट. So thank you. So these are very important information I need to propagate here. So thank you guys, do join, you will never ever regret.